Welcome to this video on the case of Castro versus Dela Cruz, decided by the Supreme Court en banc on October 24, 2023, with Associate Justice Ramon Paul L. Hernando as the ponente. This case represents a landmark en banc decision. The court granted the writs of amparo and habeas data to protect environmental activists against state abduction, forced affidavits, and intelligence profiling. The petitioners, Dela Castro and Jahed Tamano, were environmental advocates. They were forcibly abducted, held in secret detention, and coerced into signing surrender affidavits before being transferred to a military camp. The turning point occurred at a government press conference, where the petitioners publicly revealed their abduction. Following their release, they faced threats of perjury and data exposure, prompting an urgent petition to the Supreme Court. The court addressed core constitutional issues, specifically concerning direct recourse to the Supreme Court, the necessary quantum of proof, and appropriate protective relief against state actions. Key issues for resolution included the hierarchy of courts, the application of the writ of amparo, the utility of the writ of habeas data, and the legal validity of coerced affidavits. The court issued a temporary protection order with a 1-kilometer ban radius against state agents. Additionally, it referred the case to the Court of Appeals to conduct hearings for permanent protection orders. The Supreme Court justified direct recourse, affirming that original concurrent jurisdiction applies in cases involving state-sanctioned disappearances and threats from high-level officials, requiring immediate intervention. The rulings established significant doctrines, granting the writ of amparo for threats to security, the writ of habeas data against profiling, and nullifying affidavits obtained through coercion. These protections form the pillars of constitutional rights: the right to security, informational privacy, and the exclusion of evidence obtained through state-sponsored coercion. Regarding the evidentiary standard for amparo, the court determined that the petitioner's evidence outweighed the state's bare denials, establishing a clear threat to life, liberty, and security. In conclusion, the court affirmed that enforced disappearances and coerced surrenders cannot be excused by official press releases, reinforcing the writ of amparo as a vital shield for civil liberties. This video utilized various image sources to illustrate the legal concepts discussed, as detailed here for your reference.